What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay here, and in this video I'm going to share with you just a few ways that you can make money with Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is basically a search engine for buyer traffic. So with Pinterest, people typically use Pinterest in order to find things that they want to buy or things that they're interested in, or maybe try to get a review of something before they purchase. So it is very valuable that you actually leverage Pinterest inside of your marketing, because again, people who go on Pinterest are looking to buy, and you definitely want to make sure that whatever you're selling is in front of those people. Now with Pinterest, what you're going to leverage with Pinterest, and even though I want to share with you a few ways that you can leverage Pinterest in order to make money, there's going to be pretty much a general goal with Pinterest. You want to use Pinterest to send traffic to your money site. Now, your money site can be wherever you are going to be leveraging in order to generate sales or make money from. And when you're using Pinterest to send traffic to your money sites, make sure you have any disclaimers, any terms of service, privacy policies, anything in place so that you are compliant when you are leveraging Pinterest traffic to make money from it. So one of the first ways that you can make money with Pinterest is by sending traffic to your e-commerce store. So if you have an online store with Etsy, or maybe even Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, whatever it is, what you can do is you can share the products that you have inside of your store, and you can place them onto your Pinterest account. Now, you want to make sure that you're using keyword research or using very searchable keywords in your titles, so that way people can actually find the items that you're selling in your store. And you want to create those pins with those items from your store. Now, when somebody clicks on that pin and they want to purchase or something like that, you can link them to your online store, so that way they can click the link, go to your online store, and then they can make that purchase. Now, the next way that you can leverage Pinterest in order to make money is through affiliate marketing. Now, I have made several videos on this channel about how to leverage Pinterest and affiliate marketing in order to make money. And what you can do with this particular strategy is, one, with affiliate marketing, you can definitely do reviews of different products that are out there. So what you want to do is you want to create pins and use keywords, or actually even buzzwords, in order to attract a lot of attention to your pins. So what I mean by buzzwords, I mean like how to make $100 per day online, or how to make $10,000 per month. When those type of titles kind of show up, especially in the make money online niche, people are more than likely going to click on those pins in order to get more information. Now, when they click on those pins, what you want to do is you want to send people to either a review blog, where you can actually just do a full review of a product that is out. So maybe, let's say if you're promoting ClickFunnels, you can send people to a review blog of ClickFunnels, and you can include affiliate links throughout that blog post, so that way people can get access to the 14-day trial with ClickFunnels. Again, you can also do this with the how to make $100 per day. Maybe you can also just create a blog post teaching people 4 different ways that they can make $100 per day online. And again, you want to include affiliate links throughout the post. And it's the same thing in like the weight loss niche, your love and relationships niche. Whatever niche you are in, you can do the same thing. You just want to create a blog post doing a review, or giving people like a listicle, or maybe like 5 different ways that they can actually lose weight in the next 30 days or something like that, and include links throughout the post. Now, you can definitely do this with your own website or a blog. Or what you can do is you can use landing page software like ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, GrooveFunnels, or something like that. And you can just create a simple one-page website, and you can send traffic from Pinterest to those websites in order to earn commissions. Now, the next way that you can do this is through your blog or your website. Now, your blog or your website, this is probably where you are going to be selling your own digital products, maybe your own services, consulting services, coaching services, and things like that. And what you want to do is you want to create pins that are going to include keywords that's going to draw people to click on that pin to go to your website. And on your website, this is where you can actually sell your services, let people know why they need your services and things like that. And then that way they can actually click on your links and purchase any type of consulting services or digital products that you have. So what you want to do is you want to leverage Pinterest by providing a lot of value to that person, and that's going to want them to visit your website, so that way they can get their problems answered, and then that way they can see the variety of different products and services that you have on your website, and then that way you can actually start to generate some sales. An example of this is if a bride has come over to Pinterest and she wants to know how to create digital invitations for her wedding. Well, what you can do is you can create a pin saying how to create digital invitations in 10 minutes, and then somebody's going to click on that pin, they're going to visit your website, and you can have an entire blog post showing people how to create a digital invitation. But you can also promote your services where they can actually purchase from you digital invitations that you can have done up for them, custom made, and then that way you can generate sales for your business. And then the last way that I want to share with you is to build up your other social media platforms. So what you can definitely do is you can leverage Pinterest traffic in order to send people to whatever social media channels that you have. If you're on multiple social media channels and you're also on YouTube, you can definitely use this for that. So what you can do is, like for me, when I create YouTube videos, I can definitely just share my videos from YouTube and I can post them onto Pinterest, and then that way if somebody is searching for how to make money online or want to know what affiliate marketing is, my pin will actually show up and they can click on that pin and it'll actually play my video inside of Pinterest, and that will still count as a view on YouTube. I can also do this by putting my YouTube video on a blog post on my website. So if somebody was to click on my pin, it will go to my website. So now I'm getting a blog visitor, and then they're also watching my YouTube video, which also equates as an additional YouTube view as well. And then you can also do this by sending traffic to your Instagram accounts. So this is something that people do, especially in the affiliate marketing space when it comes to the motivation or the self-help niche. What they do is they leverage Pinterest and they post motivational quotes and things like that, self-help quotes or whatever else. And when somebody clicks on the actual quote, they can actually link them to their Instagram account where they can actually find more quotes and things like that that's going to help them with motivation, discipline, or self-help. And on that Instagram page, they have in their bio a link to maybe a ClickBank product or some product or service that they are selling. So that's another way that you can actually grow your social media accounts, including your YouTube channel, simply by leveraging Pinterest. So in this video, I share with you a few ways that you can actually make money with Pinterest. Pinterest is a buyer traffic source, so you definitely want to leverage Pinterest traffic in order to send to your money sites so that way you can earn money. Also, if you want the show notes for this particular video, underneath this video in the description box below, I'm going to include a link that's going to talk about everything that I cover in this video, including additional information to help you to have success with Pinterest. So if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. I will respond to all comments. Also, make sure you join my Facebook group. Inside of my Facebook group, we talk about all things YouTube and affiliate marketing and making money from home. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.